Now for an English speech titled as Defense Day. The worthy sacrifices of our heroes, I invite Mr. Munir Bau.
With the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most gracious. Honorable Principal, guests, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Defense Day, the worthy sacrifices of our heroes. As we convene today to observe Defense Day, we pay tribute to our courageous sacrifices made by the dedicated sons and the daughters of Pakistan, our heroes who gave their lives so that we might enjoy peace and liberty. This solemn occasion serves as a reminder of their unwavering commitment to our nation and the values we hold. Dear audience, Defense Day, celebrated annually on September 6th, is a day of pride, contemplation and appreciation. It commemorates the 1965 conflict in Pakistan, where the armed forces and populace united against external threats. Their valor, tenacity and indomitable spirit have become integral to the national ethos. Honored individuals such as soldiers, pilots and sailors demonstrate the highest level of patriotism. Their sacrifices reflect their valor, altruism and devotion to their homeland. These acts serve as a reminder that freedom comes at high cost and through dedication and sacrifice for greater cause. As Iqbal says, shahadat hai matloob o maqsood e momin, shahadat hai matloob o maqsood e momin, namare ghanimat na kishwar kushayi. Dear fellows, as we commemorate our martyrs, it is essential to recall the profound words of the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who asserted that there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. This assertion resonates deeply, underscoring the unwavering spirit of numerous heroes who have consistently demonstrated that safeguarding Pakistan transcends the duties of the armed forces. It is a sacred obligation shared by every citizen of this nation. Dear fellows, Defense Day is a time for reflection on our role as Pakistani citizens. We must continue striving for Pakistan's advancement and well-being, embodying unity, faith and discipline, and ensuring the legacy of our heroes that remains inspiring and guiding future generations. Esteemed audience and my dear fellows, in conclusion, let us commit to honoring the legacy of our heroes by dedicating ourselves to the service of Pakistan. Their sacrifices should illuminate our path and remind us that when united, we form an unyielding force. On this Defense Day, we pay tribute to our heroes and reform our dedication to safeguarding the sovereignty and dignity of our beloved nation. As Iqbal says, "Khoon dil de ke nikharenge rukhe par ke gulab, खून दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे पर के गुलाब, हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है." May Pakistan forever remain the fortress of faith, peace and prosperity. Thanks a lot. Pakistan!